Kunkamsa, Nabalhenge. Welcome back to my daily Tibetan briefings. You know the drill. Let's dive straight to the only daily Tibetan Parliament session highlight available in English. Chaired by Honorable Speaker Kimbustam Timpela, the third day of the 17th Tibetan Parliament-in-Exile's 7th session, that's a budget session, began at 9:30 this morning with deliberation and sanction of the special recurring budget, that's Mise Katu, and supplementary budget, that's Sugyo Katu, for the fiscal year of 2024 to 2025 of the Department of Security, Desunglihung, and various responsibilities of the department. Kalu Geridomla of the department provided her clarifications to the queries in regards to the budget proposed in the two sections and other supplementary questions on the department. Kung also made an announcement that those Tibetans whose IC cases have been rejected in the past can contact the Bureau of His Holiness in New Delhi to restart the process of their IC again. Chaired by Honorable Deputy Speaker Droltsog Tengala, after a morning tea break, the session proceeded to the deliberation and sanction of a recurring budget, Gyundu Katu, the special recurring budget, that's Mikse Katu, and the supplementary budget, Sugyo Katu, of the Department of Information and International Relations, that's Chiti Lekhung, for the fiscal year of 2024 to 2025. The House appreciated the general work of the entire team of Tibet TV in its information broadcasting endeavors and the Chiti Lekhung's Tibet Museum and its temporary exhibitions, like the most recent on is Tibetan cartography. The House deliberated over the department's Tibet advocacy program, on establishing a stronger network with the media houses in India and around the world. The House also spoke about activating its online advocacy with the use of short videos as a powerful tool to educate viewers about the existing human rights violation in occupied Tibet, like the recent case in Derke, providing map of Tibet as an open source which will be accessed and reused by anyone free of charge for an alternative data to the easily available and manipulated map of Tibet from Beijing. There were discussions on developing a comprehensive training program system for the Tibetan civil servants representing in offices of Tibet abroad in polishing their diplomatic knowledge and skills. There were discussions on establishing dynamic network with Indian think tanks, particularly focusing on Indo-Chinese network, on getting official social media handles verified as blue-tick, apart from considering official website as Central Tibet Administration instead of the current Tibet.net or Tibet Online TV, and other many relevant topics which are all duly answered and clarified by Kalu Nunsdromla of Chiti Lekhung. Following which, the deliberation on the recurring budget, Gyundu Katu of Tibet Policy Institute, completed, and the sanction remains open for the session tomorrow after the answers from Kalu Nunsdromla. So the discussion on the budget of the Tibet Policy Institute, followed by the offices of Tibet, shall continue on tomorrow's sitting. Today's session continued till 5 p.m. until 9:30 tomorrow morning. So this is it for today. Thari dagaran samshari sani jayong. Just